In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Gmail Compose. Whether you're drafting an email for work or sending a message to a friend, having the right font size can make a significant difference in how your message is perceived. So let's dive right in and explore the steps to customize your Gmail font size effortlessly. To start, open your web browser and head over to Gmail. Once you're on the main Gmail page, you're going to want to click on the Compose button. This will open up a new message window where you typically type out your email. Now, within this new message window, you'll notice several formatting options at the bottom, just above where you type your text. Let's focus on the formatting toolbar. Here, look for the button labeled with an A that represents the text formatting options. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various formatting features. This is where you can change the font style, color, and of course, the size. Go ahead and click on the A button now. Upon clicking it, a small menu will pop up. In this menu, find and click on the option labeled Size. Clicking this will provide you with several size options ranging from small to extra large. To change the font size, simply select the size that you prefer. If you need the text to stand out, perhaps for a heading, you might want to choose a larger size. For regular text, a medium size should work well. As you adjust the font size, you'll notice the changes happen in real time within your email draft. It's as simple as choosing the right option, and you can see immediately how it looks. If you don't like the new size or you want to make further adjustments, you can always go back to the size menu and select a different size until you're satisfied. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that consistency is key when it comes to professional emails. Making sure that your emails are easy to read not only helps convey your message effectively, but also maintains a tidy and professional look. Once you're happy with your font size, you can go ahead and continue writing your email. The chosen size will apply to all your subsequent text unless you change the size setting again. If you need to adjust or reset the formatting at any point, you can simply click back into the formatting options and make the necessary changes. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can change the font size in Gmail Compose and ensure that your emails are not only clear and easily readable, but also visually appealing to your recipients. So, next time you're composing an email, remember to play around with these settings to find what works best for you. Happy emailing!